SQA Advanced Air Mass 2017, number 14. Find the particular solution of the differential equation d squared y by dx squared minus 6 dy by dx plus 9y equals 8 sin x plus 19 cos x plus 19 cos x. Given that y is equal to 7, dy by dx is equal to half when x is equal to 0. This is a 10-mark question. You've got about 15 minutes to do this question. So you write this first differential equation and as an auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation m squared minus 6m plus 9 is equal to 0. You factorize this, you get m minus 3 all squared is equal to 0. So the only root is m equals 3. So that means that y is equal to a e to the 3x plus bx e to the 3x. This is a repeated root, and you need two solutions for this because you have a square, d squared y by dx squared. So this is what you've got. So this is your complementary function yc. You need a particular integral so that y in this case is equal to c sin x plus d cos x. You differentiate this, so dy by dx is equal to c cos x minus d sin x, and d squared y by dx squared is equal to minus c sin x minus d cos x. Then you gather these, so d squared y by dx squared is your first one. So that's going to be minus c sin x minus d cos x. And then you need 6 of these, 6 dy by dx minus 6 times c cos x minus d sin x, and 9y, this is your y here, plus 9 times c sin x plus d cos x. Okay, so you need to gather these together. So you're looking for that. That is now equal to 8 sin x plus 19 cos x. So you gather all the sin x terms together first. You got a minus c, you got a minus gives you plus 6d, and over here you got plus 9c, and this is sin x, and that would be equal to 8 sin x. Bringing these together, so that's just going to give you 8c. That implies that 8c, 9c minus 8c plus 6d is equal to 8. So that's your first equation. The next one is in terms of cos x, and you're going to end up with on the other side 19 cos x. That would give you your second equation. So look at the cos x terms. You got minus d cos x minus 6c and over here you got just 1 you got 1D. Okay, yeah, this is outside the bracket. 9, so you got 9D plus 9D. This is your 9Y, so C sine x plus D cos x is y, so you're multiplying by 9. So for this, you can see that 9D minus D gives you 8D. So that means that you got 8D and minus 6C plus 8D, and that equals 19. So that's your second equation. You need to eliminate. So you can multiply this one by 3 and multiply this by 4. So 3 times 1 plus 4 times 2 would eliminates C. So that would be eliminated, C would be eliminated. So you're ending up with 24C plus 18D is equal to 24 minus 24C plus 32D is equal to 76. So when you add, these go away, so you're left with, that implies that 50D is 100, which means that D is 2. So sub D equals 2 in equation 1, say. So there's your 1 there. So 8C plus 12 is equal to 8, which means that 8C is minus 4, which means that C is minus a half. So that means that your particular equation there, that equation is y equals minus a half sine x plus 2 cos x. That's your particular solution. So your general solution now is you got a e to the 3x, y is equal to a e to the 3x plus bx e to the 3x minus a half sine x plus 2 cos x. So that's your solution. That's what you got up to now. So you're told that y, at the start you're told y is 7 when x is 0. So when y is equal to 7 and x is 0, so that means that 7 is equal to a e to the 0. This goes away, plus 0, minus this is sine of 0 is also 0, so that's 0, plus cos of 0 is 1, plus 2. So what you have there is a is equal to 5. So we take that to the other side. That implies that a is 5. So now you use the differential that you're given, dy by dx is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. So you need to differentiate this first. So dy by dx is equal to, you bring the 3 to the front, 3a e to the 3x plus b e to the 3x plus 3bx e to the 3x minus a half cos x minus 2 sin x. And you're told that dy by dx is equal to half when x is equal to 0. So that means that a half is equal to 3a to the 0 plus b to the 0. This is just 0 minus a half and minus 0. So you already know that a you found to be 5. So this is going to be 15. So the half goes to the other side. So b plus 15 is equal to half plus a half, which is 1, which implies that b is minus 14. So now that's your full solution. So you got everything there. So your particular solution as y is equal to 5e to the 3x plus minus 13, minus 14, so minus 14, b is minus 14, minus 14 x e to the 3x, and then you got your minus a half sine x, minus half sine x plus 2 cos x. So that's your final solution, and that's for 10 marks.